What's up, guys? So today's video we're going to be doing a Charger Scat Pack air intake install. So this is the same charger from the last video that you guys liked so much. This is the Triple Crown 392 Scat Pack. Has the Corsa exhaust system in there, and now we just got a JLT Cold Air Intake. So we're going to install that today, and yeah, so let's get straight into it. All right, what do you got here?
Nice JLT Cold Air Intake.
Ooh.
Look at this puppy.
Got all the instructions we need?
I think so. I hope so.
I don't know.
Doesn't it? Otherwise we're in trouble. Otherwise we are in trouble. Look at this.
Good massive.
Gracious. How do we get this out of here?
Where do we even put that thing?
What?
That's like way bigger than the one I have on my car.
Is this even gonna fit in my car?
Yeah, it'll fit. There's a lot of room in there.
There is a lot of room in there. My Lanta. We got some hose clamps, a reducer.
That JLT branding.
Ollie, where you going?
Oh yeah, there too.
This bad boy. Okay. I'm guessing. This be the filter?
Yeah, I would think so.
This be the filter? Uh-oh, we need a connect.
A box within a box.
I got a knife.
I don't know. I think you got it.
Clear.
Oh, you got the white one.
And there she is.
That's nice. That's gonna look good on your car.
There she is.
Okay, that thing is way fatter than mine.
This thing is massive. Well, look at the size of that thing, too.
You could almost fit your head in there.
You really could. You really could.
Oh my god.
All right.
Awesome.
Let's put this puppy in.
Yep. Ready to get this thing out of here. I guess dirtied up a little bit. Clean up the engine bay, look real nice. Thing we have to do is start removing the bolts, and I believe it's this one right here first. And then we'll kind of just see what else we have to do to take it out.
Oh, yeah. That's her.
Not too tight, so that's good.
That's her.
Alright.
I'm guessing these two.
Pops right out.
Yeah?
Yeah, we're gonna have to just disconnect it from the throttle body.
Press pause.
I'll move my car.
I'll get a towel for this. I apologize, guys.
You're right, Sean. I hope you're right. Thank you very much.
No problem.
We just want to meet. Oh, you were here too? You're here to hey, guys.
Did I scare you, Ollie?
No.
Well, he doesn't like the car?
No.
Oh. Yeah, so I mean, it's pretty easy actually.
Okay,
Probably need to pull this out too.
Yeah.
You gotta remove, I guess, whatever the AC is there.
That's gonna be interesting. It's in there. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh my
Come on out. It's okay, Mama.
He literally just jumped over.
Okay, there's that. Dude, that thing is in there, huh?
Oh yeah, that's better. Well, at least this is super clean. If anybody wants to buy a stock air intake.
Uh-oh.
Not bad, just one leaf.
Okay.
This should just come right out. Yeah. And then that's where your big housing will go.
Okay. There she blows.
That's actually a really big throttle body for a stock car. That's like at least a 90mm one, it looks like. There's the new.
This massive thing.
The new and improved housing. Tight squeeze.
Yeah, it is. Oh.
Yeah, it'll bend a little bit.
There she
Yeah.
is.
Nice and snug. They don't give you too much wiggle room, but
Hold on, did I remove that little butt plug you were talking about?
what butt plug? Oh, the little rubber thing. Yeah, this little nipple thing.
Right. Do we know anybody that's good with?
I don't know if that comes off or not.
What I want. I've got an idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like it. Okay, so
That
one thing is you have to take off the old nipple, put on the new male nipple. Wow. Oh, that easy.
that make
All right.
walking easier.
Alright, now.
Yeah, and that should click into this hole then.
Oh, she's in.
I got your
'Cause now she's off of this piece.
I think you got the right fitment. It might be slightly off. It's not going to be perfect with this hole, but screwing it in. Yeah, I mean, that feels pretty good.
Yeah.
There's only one screw for it to hold in, and that's it, really.
Okay.
Can't forget about the good old JLT stickers. The carb engine air intake stuff. Cool. Got the whole mumbo jumbo right here. Oh, yeah.
Let's see how much fun you're gonna be.
It's easy.
Too shabby. Not too shabby.
So you just have to remove the factory sensor pretty much and put it into the new one.
Why are we videotaping this?
It's for YouTube.
It's for what?
YouTube?
What's that?
It's a streaming application for videos.
Yeah, so pretty much it will be for like people that install like an air intake and they want to see how to do it online. They'll look at this video and see. And your video with the exhaust actually has the most views that I have right now. It has like 1,300 views. So I'm hoping this one will get some good views too.
Alright, well, this is gonna be a doozy. Because the way this is set up.
Oh. Okay, so that hole is for the sensor, I guess, to go through.
Yeah.
And then that
So I'm
AC
just gonna
line.
Flop it.
It's like your humidifier.
Let's say I twist her up. If she wants to twist up. The way this is set up.
Oh.
It almost looks like I have to spin it like this.
Look at this thing. Look at this thing. Get it away from me.
Have
Get away from me.
this somehow in here.
That fucker just landed on me.
Well, it looks like that doesn't go through that way, because look in the picture here. Because,
Oh, they have it like
yeah,
that.
so the O2 sensor goes through that hole, and then this just like bends down, so I guess you just have to finagle it a little bit. So yeah, you're just going to have to adjust that elbow on the new air intake to fit your stock AC line.
Let me snake this through. Like so. She gets plugged
That's
in
nice.
like that.
They didn't have that in mine, like a little hole made for it, so it makes it look a lot cleaner.
Now that big ass filter is gonna fit right in here.
Yeah, right there. Little rubber seal.
I'm guessing it is.
Wow.
What are you doing?
Okay.
So that cleans it up even more.
And then,
Protects the cable so there's no sharp edges.
and then And then...
And then...
Yeah, but look how loose that is.
Yeah, that's f***ing weird.
What to do, yo? Maybe that's...
Does it tighten? It looks like it has teeth, like a zip tie.
Okay. So then... something like that.
Yeah, and then like seal it. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
That way it doesn't remove since it's on a little bit of a different arch.
Okay.
Wow. Yeah, JLT did a good job with, well,
Let me make sure she's on.
I wonder how white this filter will stay.
Okay.
Now it's an open air filter.
I had blue ones.
Yeah, mine is like a grayish yellow.
I'm sure I can get a different one.
Yeah, you
Oh,
can
you
switch
can.
these out all
Yeah.
the time.
Yeah.
But I like the white because it goes with your car.
Alright. This is what you gotta get.
Yeah, that's really good stuff.
Alright, I think we're ready.
Oh, nice.
I think we're ready.
Well, that's the final product.
That's it?
Yeah,
That's all, folks.
easy. Looks way better than the stock one.
I think we're ready. I think it's...
Where is JLT?
Got the McChain family right here.
Oh yeah!
Doing the charger install.
Oh yeah.
It's because it's hitting the tube.
Yeah.
Now that was cool. Did you hear the piss at it? The hiss
Yeah.
right out at the end?
So you happy?
Oh hell yeah.
That looks good, dude.
Sweet. This thing is sweet.
That looks so much better than the stock one. Just having the giant box in there.
It really is though.
I wish my brother would buy me car parts.
Thank you, Rye.
Well,
Happy birthday.
happy late birthday. Birthday was an all.
My brother hasn't bought me anything for this car.
You don't need an exhaust system on a
headers.
V6.
Yeah, I do.
I need headlights.
I just put an exhaust on my girlfriend's dad's car. He has a V6 Challenger. Sounds good with a V6.
See?
Yeah.
Why you gotta open your mouth?
What? Why wouldn't you want your dad to have an exhaust?
I need an exhaust for myself first.
A Jeep with loud mufflers.
I need an exhaust first. I got single.
You got single. That's out.
Exactly. So I need to get a
I-
converter. Need to
I'd
get a
have
new
that
diffuser.
I'd have that changed the week after I bought the car.
Yeah,
I'd have a dual system put in.
I gotta do it.
Goals. I do love the color of this car though.
White sneakers.
This is new, like all the new cars are coming in this color, and I kind of secretly wish, well, not wish, but I would love to see my car in this color.
Gotta put it on the gram.
This is a beautiful gray. I love this creamy gray. It's like a clay kind of gray. I don't know what to call it, but hey Ryan, what's this color called?
They call it a Sting Gray.
Sting Gray.
Yeah.
Wow.
That's
That's
sharp color.
Yeah. All right, guys. So that will do it for our JLT Cold Air Intake install on the 2019 Scat Pack Charger, which is right here in the back. Let me know what you guys think of this. If you want to see more content about this car, please follow the owner at Triple Crown 392 on Instagram. You know, show the love, follow his car up to date. If you want to see any more mods that he's going to do to it, he's got a lot of plans for this car. So yeah, check him out on Instagram. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.